How to fix Play Store app stuck update. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If your Play Store apps are stuck on pending or not downloading, don't worry, it's a pretty common issue. Let's quickly fix it with the most reliable methods. First thing you need to do is check your internet connection. If you're on Wi-Fi, try turning on data. And if you're on mobile data, turn it off and turn on Wi-Fi. You can also turn on the airplane mode. Keep it turned on for a few seconds to refresh your network. Then you want to go ahead and clear Play Store's cache and data. Long press on Play Store, tap on the I button, and then from there go to Storage down below. Tap on Clear Cache at the bottom, and once you have done that, you can also go ahead and reset Google Play Services and Download Manager to clear their cache as well. So you can find the Google Play services on your apps. Go to Settings, then find your app section, tap on it, and simply search for Google Play Services. Tap on that, go to Storage, tap on Clear Cache, and you should be good to go. You can also pause and resume stuck updates on Play Store. Tap on Play Store, tap on the three dots or the profile icon at the top, and then from here you can find your updates option. For that, tap on Manage Apps and Device. Then you'll find Updates. Tap on Update All, and you should be good to go. That's it for this video, guys. I hope this was helpful. Hit the like button below and subscribe. I'll see you in the next one.